making a cracker, wasn't it?
Fucking mine goes for an hour.
Does it?
This is alright.
How did they, Queenie?
Yeah, it goes up in the top corner.
This one goes on for 20 seconds or so.
31k, what's that mean?
That's how far the drum's going to go.
31k, that's how much you got left in your memory bank or whatever I'd say.
No, I've only got bloody...
You bloody... You've got a good camera on there.
Yeah, fucking hell, that's good, eh?
Look at the stubbies in front.
Yeah, well, you got to have something. You got to show the boys, you know, you're having a couple of Keeleys when you're doing it.
What's the
You're
name, mate?
recording everything. You got any special comments, Johnny, or what?
No, nothing at all. Waiting for the boom.
How'd you get them rotten?
Who, did Gerard get in or not?
Yeah, oh, no. You come down, oh, you're going to your family. Fucking where else am I going to go, you fucking rabbit?
Getting bigger or not? Looks like it.
Oh, this is good. This is good. This is going to go.
Oh, she's bulging. She's bulging now. Look at her.
Is it?
Yep. Go back you cunt.
Here we go.
Starting his head on us.
Oh,
Oh,
don't.
same thing again.
It's fucking done again, hasn't it, Cos?
No, it's getting...
Ah, you fucking bludger.
Fucking another fizzer.
Nah.
Too rusted out.
Yeah, that's all it was.
Nah, we had one do that. Still might go.
Is she fucking go? She's got ignition anyway.
John. Bang.
Nah,
That's it.
she's another fizzer girl.
It needs to touch the
Another
oil.
fizzer. Look at her now.
Oh, it's at the top.
Another fizzer.
Yeah. Nah, it might go. It might still go, yeah.
How much petrol did you put in?
That's here she runs, boys.
That's the guy. Go get another one.
Have a look at the aftermath.
Look around there. She's got the fucking